Welcome to Training Wild Burros. We're here with Daphne, who is a wild burro that we brought home a little over a year ago. And she's at her first obstacle course. It's a haunted obstacle course, guys. This is her third time off the property. And we're just going to go real mellow, just helping her get used to what's around her and new experiences. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this valuable for your own animals. Keep watching to see what we do to help increase her bravery. Slide your hand down.
I just thought you wanted to go snap.
There. Slide your hand down that left rein. Or right, I said it wrong.
It's okay.
I'm working on that, knowing my right and left. And just go around the water and see if you can go between the trees. I think the water is going to be a lot for her right now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So when she does that, Carrie, you're going to have to pick up more on your rein that you're trying to turn her.
Okay.
And you're going to have to put more pressure on.
Okay.
So we're always trying to go with, like a pound of pressure or hardly no pressure.
Right.
But when she's turning and you don't want her to.
Then, okay. Get in, get out. Right?
Yep, get in, get out. That's right.
All right.
There. Good. Good. So this is Daphne's third time off the property. There's a lot of scary stuff, a lot of other horses and people, noises. And you can let her investigate it.
Yeah. That's what I was doing.
Perfect. So put that pressure on. Good job. Good job, Carrie. That is so funny. If you've ever wondered how a donkey reacts when they get scared, here you're going to be able to see. So she does take off a little bit, but it's just a handful of steps. And then she's like, oh, okay, let's reevaluate. Was there really anything to be afraid of? So a donkey, even though they can go fast and you can teach them to go fast, their reaction to something scary is not very dramatic. But keep watching, because she does go through this, the set of trees there, and we're just going to help her through it, give her time to soak in what's happening. Again, this is her third time off the property. She is a wild donkey, but she is doing a very good job. There's so much stimulation here at the Halloween party, costume party, but she is doing a great job and really just gaining experiences. And that's what it's all about right now, just to help her have experiences and keep working on developing coping skills. Really, these coping skills come along with experiences. So that's what we're working on. Here, she's just taking in what she sees in front of her. We're just going to aim her in the direction of the trees and then let her sit and soak it all in. Now, when she wants to go a different direction, we're going to bring her back to where we want her to be and then let her be. Let her just sit and soak it in. Now, here she's wanting to soak in another one of these leaf bags. So scary, right, guys? And then behind Carrie right now and Daphne, you see those big blow-up Halloween statue type things that are blowing around and making noise. There's just so much stimulation. Here she's starting to relax now. So we're offering her the ability to relax and then asking little bits. So relaxation and then asking her to work. I hope you're enjoying the video, and I sure appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. And then just be ready for her to go fast and let her investigate. Like, that's great.
Yeah.
Taking in her fears. It's a tree. I've never seen one before.
He's so scary. What do you think? Is it okay with the oats? Yeah. Good job.
So get ready to direct her. There. Nice. Oh, good job.
Good job.
Good job. I'm going to come pay her.
Yeah, absolutely.
Keep this a good spot.
Yes. Good girl. I seem to remember that snow when I was out on the prairie.
Carrie says, I seem to remember that
Not as
smell when I
pretty
was out
as
on the
oats.
prairie. Okay, I'm going to ask her for another step forward.
Good girl.
Helping to make the scary thing not as scary. And again, when she goes through it, be ready for her to go fast.
Yep.
So don't be afraid to hang on to that horn or whatever you need. And if she doesn't go through over the logs, doesn't matter. She just went through the trees. That's giant.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay.
There, she took a step. That's great.
Good.
Look at how calm she is after she was so scared before.
Yay!
Nice work.
Good girl. It's like, yeah, but that was really scary.
That was very scary.